In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Dropbox to N8N. We'll walk through the process of setting this up in a way that's both easy to grasp and implement. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to integrate Dropbox seamlessly into your workflows, enhancing automation and productivity in your tasks. First, let's dive right in by adding the Dropbox node to your N8N workflow. If you've already worked with N8N, you'll know that adding a node is your first step towards customizing your workflow. For those of you who might not be as familiar, N8N is a powerful automation tool that lets you visually create workflows, integrating different services and applications. Now, while it might sound a little complex at first, don't worry. By the end of this, you'll feel more confident in using it. Once you have your Dropbox node in place, it's time to decide on what operation you'd like it to perform. A common choice is the upload a file operation, which is particularly useful if you are looking to automate how files are backed up or shared. Of course, you can choose a different operation if it suits your needs better, but for our purposes today, we'll focus on uploading a file. This will show you how easy it is to handle file management with Dropbox through N8N. Now, let's move on to filling in the required parameters. This step is essential, as it acts like filling out the details on a form. For an upload operation, you'll need to specify things like the file path, which is essentially telling Dropbox where to store the file. Then there's the file content itself. This can be a document, a picture, or any file you want to upload. Make sure you've checked these details because any errors here can lead to issues later on. When connecting to other actions, it really allows you to see the full potential of N8N's capabilities. For instance, once your file is securely uploaded to Dropbox, the workflow doesn't have to stop there. You can set it up to send a Slack notification to alert someone that the file is available. Or perhaps you want a more dynamic approach, like automatically saving the file to Google Drive for extra redundancy. Both of these actions are great options to consider for enhancing collaboration and security in your workflow. Throughout each step, remember that the visual nature of N8N aims to make your automation tasks more intuitive and less daunting. As you connect Dropbox to N8N, begin with simple tasks and gradually integrate more complex operations as you gain confidence. And there you have it. By following this comprehensive guide, you should have a strong foundation for connecting Dropbox to N8N, enabling you to effectively automate your file management tasks and bolster your digital productivity. Stay tuned for more tutorials where we'll dive into additional integrations and advanced features to help you get the most out of N8N.